Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a void check on Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Scotiabank app, and here be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you are done with that, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on this option on the banking, that is your basic, and once you tap on basic, you'll be seeing your basic balance. Right now here you'll be seeing these four options, that is transform from, send money, more, and manage. Simply tap on manage, and once you're inside manage, here you'll be seeing these details. Now among those details you'll be seeing an option that says direct deposit or void check info, and beside that you'll be seeing a view button. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing this kind of pop-up, right? And now under download you'll be seeing an option that says void check. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing this kind of discover page. Right now under void check you'll be seeing an option that says view or print. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now all you gotta do to complete the process is just simply tap on finish, and that's how you get a void check on Scotiabank. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.